As you may have heard, the state of Washington has another budget deficit to deal with. On Monday morning, we'll find out how the governor, Bob Ferguson, plans on dealing with that when we get a look at his budget. We got a little preview today. He is looking to increase spending for transportation projects by about $2 billion. That was something that was already in the works before we had these nasty storms the last couple of weeks. You've probably seen the damage, but major problems on state highways, including a 50-mile stretch of Highway 2, Stevens Pass, which could be closed for months. The state tells us they don't know how much that's going to cost. They're hoping the federal government will pick up the tab. The announcement that the governor made today is that he is looking for an increased bonding bill that would provide $3.1 billion for transportation. $1 billion would go for new ferries, with $2 billion going to preservation and maintenance to kind of shore up roads and bridges to prevent more damage the next time we have a big storm. I asked if the state has that kind of money, and he said, since we're going through the bonds, this is not something that is going to impact the state's general budget, and it will not require increased taxes. Unfortunately, for some folks, the gas tax is still going to go up. It went up 6 cents a gallon this year, and it's set to go up another penny next year. So we'll see how much this month's storms are going to end up costing the state.